We've met up with our friends on SV Kona, Dallas and Dawn. We met them in Texas when we bought the boat, so it's been super fun to meet up with them here in Rock Sound.
Snake skin.
Oh, that is not cool. Dude, Denali, slow down. Boiling hole, what does that mean? We're gonna have somebody for lunch? It's a blue hole.
Somebody taste it, see if it's salty.
We're gonna get dog some water.
She's like, I'm done.
I bet she's happy to be in the shade now.
Right?
There's mosquitoes too.
Well, I'm glad to hear that there are no dangerous snakes.
Yeah. Snakes are rare anyway.
Oh, this is cool. I know this.
Oh my gosh, there's like 10,000 mosquitoes around you. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Holy cow.
Who wants to go first down this one? There's a spider web across it with a spider in the middle.
There's spider webs everywhere. There's mosquitoes everywhere.
Well, they call it the spider caves, don't they?
I hate spiders.
Okay, this third step down is completely broken, so do not step on that.
Oh wait, you might want to put...
Sorry, spider buddy.
Are you freaking out?
You should see, there's like 20 around you.
I know, but
They're everywhere.
they're not on me.
Why?
I don't know, they're not on you either. They're just swarming.
Let's go home.
It's terrible. All these mosquitoes ruining our time.
Wow, it's a lot cooler down here. And I don't
Oh yeah, let's go down there.
Careful with the steps that are broken.
There's a bunch of nails on them.
Yeah, I know, so you have to step over them. If you look at the spider webs on the wall.
Okay. Come help your wife who has depth perception problems and can't tell how far down these steps are.
Okay, give me your hand.
Hey,
So you step to this step.
Dawn? Yes, you woke them all up and started a bat frenzy. Be quiet.
I don't like this.
Can you take your water bottle?
I
Nice.
spiders.
Salty Escape said there was no spiders.
No spiders.
Yeah, they don't know why there's spider webs, but there was no spiders. Okay, well, stay in the middle. It's not like Indiana Jones where the spiders come out and get on them.
Can you see over here?
They're like up in the cracks. Oh, they're flying around. You woke them up.
Can you see the bats with my light?
I can see the bats without your light
Okay.
on the film camera. Look at how that tree has grown straight up through the rock. Oh, I hear the bats. You smell them? Okay, no. It goes way back. I have to say the fluttering is really creepy. It's like a horror movie.
That tree is right there.
Yeah, that would be kind of creepy to be in here at dark.
I totally feel like Indiana Jones down here.
So we're taking the stairs and they're climbing the rocks.
More stuff over here.
Oh, look at that ladder.
Oh my gosh, are y'all going up there?
There's a lizard on it. And it looks like it's not safe.
Up to the top.
That was before they made stairs. Okay, Dallas is gonna do it.
It's
Those are all spider webs. Where are the spiders?
So we got a case of moon pies, like 24 of them, and a giant, huge family pack of like Krusty's pancake mix that just add water, and like a Costco size spice of garlic powder, because somehow I managed to not bring enough of that. It's this little store in Rock Sound that sells like case goods. They don't have produce and frozen stuff and things like that. So cheap. Like seriously, that pancake mix was $13 for the giant thing. We're going to head over to the regular grocery store and I'll let you know if I think their prices were good. He's gone too far. It's right there. We always forget to turn off that alarm. It's amazing how far away from our boat we can get before it goes off. That dock has had it. All right, for the record, I was pulling the wagon until I needed to pull up the camera and film. Todd does not do all the work.
That's right. Usually she does about 80% of it.
I can't film and walk.
Not on this road.
Okay, I will hold the boat, you load it up. I didn't get our shopping trip on camera. Frankly, I just forgot. It was just a grocery store.
Poor YouTubers, are we?
I know. It was just a grocery store. It really just looked like a small town grocery store. But the thing that we found outside in the parking lot is the farm truck. So there is a family farm. It's called the Family Farm, 10 or 15 miles up the road by Pineapple Key. They bring a selection to the grocery store and sit in the corner of the parking lot under a tree and sell really good, ripe, amazing produce for really good prices. He said these green bananas will ripen. You need to be outside but not in direct light. So we hung them right here. Did you try some of them?
I did. They're really yummy. It wasn't quite as ripe as he says. When they're like yellow, like a normal banana, he says they're not ripe yet. That's about what we ate, which tasted pretty much like a normal banana. But he says let them get a lot more brown on them first, and then they're really, really, really sweet. I don't remember what this round fruit is. It's got kind of a rough skin, kind of like an Anjou pear. And then of course this is just a local mango. And these are some sort of a plum.
So it's exciting to try some of the local stuff.
I'll wear it. So put that in forward like that. So that direction is more speed.
Where'd they go?
They're coming around, so we're going to be going this way.
How far is it?
Like 3 miles.
It's a bit of a drive.
Those are big. Is it still following us?
No, but it was just like, it was along the wall. It was just going that way.
A big lionfish? I couldn't see it. That's why I need prescription glasses. Huh. Well, let's find Dallas. He wanted to find that big lionfish.
I don't want
Do we see anybody? Nobody. We don't have to come back. They can come back and kill it. Do you see anybody? Where'd they all go?
I think they might be over there on the wall.
Liberty sticks with me close enough to keep me out of trouble and point things out to me. So what was it?
It was this long and this skinny.
Wow.
And pointy nose, pointy face.
Was it like those things you were catching the ribbon fish in Texas?
Maybe.
Maybe. Did you catch anything else?
I got a crab.
So we have a
Crab and a lionfish.
Why would you put it right there? That's why.
It's moving. Yes, it is. It'll die. Don't worry. Okay, are we ready to go?
Are we about done?
Yes.
our crabs for today. And we decided they're what kind of crabs?
Spider?
Red clinging,
Channel clinging.
channel clinging
It's
Crab.
Mithrax.
But it's a spiner.
I forgot the real,
word.
It's a spider
the
crab.
scientific name.
Can't wait to edible.
But they call them spider crabs, and they're supposed to be more delicious than stone crabs.
Start with your crab.
No, I am not touching those things.
I only saw this because I saw this in the lady's video. She was the one that called it a phallic symbol.
So toss that over. Then you have to get the head off.
That was the hard part, right?
Yeah, he kind of... Whoa!
Okay.
Is that?
Their
Throw that
brains.
part away?
So there's one.
Yeah, I took that part off. What did
So the other guy, the guy just twisted the head and it totally came off in one piece.
Oh my.
thing's strong.
Maybe you can watch that video again and see how he does that.
He kind of just twisted.
There we go.
Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh. Good job. There's like
Oh
poop
my.
in there.
Well, yeah,
That is gross.
that's what I was rinsing off.
Those are like huge compared to what these guys were showing on.
Yeah.
These are?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Finn is right in the middle of it, huh?
Yeah, he's always.
He's like, I want some.
Okay, so we got some spider crab, some lionfish here.
All right, Liberty, you gonna come eat fish or crab? Or there's fish too. You want some? Nope, you're gonna stick with rice when the rice is done. Girls said they'll wait for the rice.
Okay, we're gonna test the lionfish. We have our paramedic over here just in case.
Is it good?
It's good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I can really taste the garlic. But there is a little bit of strong flavor. I don't know if it's in the lionfish or what, but it's not a fishy flavor.
So what do you
I'm
think,
excited.
Dallas?
I want to try it. Oh man.
It's good.
Never had lionfish. Let's
But I did put garlic butter on mine.
It's good.
Is it?
It is.
Yeah.
It's good. It's not
Yeah.
fishy tasting at all.
Yeah.
It's much.
Let me try it without.
It does not have a texture like fish.
Oh no, it's good.
Yeah?
It's good fish.
If Dawn says it's good fish, you'll like it.
Yeah.
Yep, because
Yeah.
she's not a fish fan. Do you want to try a little bit, Abigail?
Wanna try the lionfish? Right here's the lionfish.
Just take a little taste.
It's pretty good.
Go away. Oh, that's like so small.
That's a very little piece.
Bigger.
It's not fishy. There you go.
That's better, but
Tastes pretty good. No.
You're so silly.
It has a distinct.
it does have a distinct flavor, but I don't know if it's the garlic. Finn will take care of anything we
How's
drop
that?
on the ground.
Is it good?
It's good.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's like it's better than Joe's Crab Shack did, I think. There's a thing in there, so you
I'm
like
gonna take a little bite.
you slide
pull it
the
off.
meat off.
Okay.
There you go.
Wow, it's really good.
Awesome.
Wow. And we just got all of this all by ourselves.
Right? Like, didn't cost us a thing. Well,
We officially foraged.
Yes, we have
Great.
officially foraged.
Living off the land.
This for last.
here, see this? You can eat that part right there. Put it in your mouth and suck it off.
Eating crab no harder than eating a chicken leg.
You're finishing off the last of it.
Man, I need a shower.
You're covered in crap.
I did see a little grouper I had a shot at.
Dallas is looking through the thing. We're trying to figure out what we saw today.
'Cause that's always the hardest part for me. I go buy those little cards and I look at them and I go, these don't look anything like the fish
know.
down there. I mean, like, how hard is it to tell me what a fish is? Maybe it needs to be a card as viewed through your
Dive mask.
dive mask.
Yeah.
Maybe they look that way when you pull them out of the water and they're on shore, half dead. Well,